Hi guys, good day. Today I am showing you the bread omelette preparation in my style. The first one, I am taking 4 slices of bread and putting it on the pan to get roasted. Little bit butter I am taking, very little bit, and it has to be spread for all the slices. Evenly spreading. I'm taking one green chilies, tomato, 2 eggs, and one onion. Now peeling off the onion and slicing it off. We need to take care of this roasting of bread also simultaneously. Slicing the onions. And slicing the chili very finely. I'm chopping the chilies. Now I'm taking the I'm grating the onion here to get the finely chopped onion, to get the finely chopped. This is little bit easy actually. Only half onion I'm taking into the mix. And I need to take away the bread slices from the pan. Now I am again giving one more cut of this onion to get finely chopping the onions, taking it to the bowl, chilies sliced and onion sliced. And now the tomato, half tomato I am taking, cutting in small pieces. And this goes again. This mixture is salt, pepper, turmeric, and some masalas grinded in it. It is I use for turmeric tea masala, pinch of it added, and little bit salt. Here curry leaves I am taking and pinching it off. Curry leaves, 2 to 3 curry leaves, and I'm putting it by tearing each leaf. And this is coriander already cleaned, chopped, right? Kept in the refrigerator. Little bit coriander leaves I am adding. Now I am mixing it off. This should be mixed first so that this masalas and all will get mixed up. Now I am adding the eggs. See, this is the way I collect the garbage. I always use newspaper to fold it and properly kept it so that there won't be any odor coming in my kitchen. Mix very well. And I'm adding a quarter spoon of ghee, just a small quantity, and pouring off this mixture on the top of it. Now spreading it evenly throughout the pan and dipping each slice and flipping it off. That's it. Now I'm adding little bit cheese, around 20 grams of cheese. This is a pizza cheese actually, and just I'm using the grater to put it evenly on each and every bread. If you have cheese slices, it would be good, because I don't have. I'm using this. Now I'm just making a partition so that it would be easy for me to flip it. And I'm flipping it off on top of. Oh, that's it. Let it get cool. The cheese to get melted. Cheese should not burn. It should melt and be easy for us while we are eating it. Meanwhile, I will garnish this with little bit half onion which is left over, and half tomato, and we can add even peppers also. I am not adding today. For garnish you can use even Chinese cabbage, and take away, and it is ready to serve with. You can use tomato ketchup also for side dish. I am taking it as it is along with the tomato ketchup. Enjoy this. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. Bye.